Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a video in Adobe Express. Let's walk through the essentials step by step so you can start quickly and feel confident as you go. Begin by opening Adobe Express. Once the workspace loads, you'll see a clean home screen with options to start new projects. Look for the option to create a video. Selecting Create Video opens a fresh project with a canvas in the center and helpful panels around it. This is where you'll build your story, one scene at a time. Next, you'll be prompted to choose an orientation. This is simply the shape of your video. Pick the sample orientation that best matches your destination. Landscape is great for desktops and YouTube, portrait is ideal for phones and vertical platforms, and square can be a versatile middle ground. Choosing the right orientation now helps your text and visuals fit perfectly without awkward cropping later. On the left side of the screen, you'll find a panel with content options. Here, look for the sample videos provided. Click one of the sample videos on the left to start with a ready-made structure. Templates can give you a head start with pre-designed layouts, scene pacing, and placeholder text. You can preview a sample and then apply it to your project, knowing that everything is editable afterward, including colors, fonts, and media. If you want to enhance your project with simple graphics, it's easy to add elements or shapes. Move your cursor to the left sidebar and hover over the Add Content area. This panel is your gateway to media, text, and design accents that help polish your story. When the menu expands, click on Elements. This opens a library of icons, lines, shapes, and decorative pieces you can use to call attention to key points or frame your visuals. Now click on a sample shape to add it to your canvas. The shape will appear on your current scene. From here, you can resize it by dragging the corners, rotate it if needed, and reposition it to balance your layout. Most shapes support color and opacity adjustments, so you can match your brand or complement your footage. Use guides to align elements neatly, and consider layering shapes behind text to improve readability without overwhelming the viewer. That's it for this walkthrough. By opening Adobe Express, starting a video, choosing the right orientation, selecting a helpful sample, and adding elements and shapes, you have everything you need to begin crafting a clean, engaging video. Take your time exploring the panels, experiment with small changes, and build your story scene by scene.